Dv400. We'd power it on, start it. It would hum. You would hear the motor hum, and but it would not. The cylinder wouldn't turn. Issue was a stuck sock down there in there. I'll put in a video of somebody else posted on how to basically tear down the whole unit. But in short, if you're getting the humming noise with the cylinder not turning, you'll have to take the front off. And in this area here, I don't know how this got in here, but this sock got in here and jammed up this. Once that was removed, this all turned freely.